Hello everyone, this is Kat. Today I am going to be opening a box from GR Pottery Forms. I had placed an order, like I said, with the rest of my bonus money. And so after this I probably won't be buying anything for a long time. But anyway, it got me through all the stuff that I was wanting to get. And here's the last bits of it. I've got, let's see, I want to get into it. They've packed it really well. Got the styrofoam. Up till this point, the cats had been using this box as their own, and now he's sitting over there really angry at me because that's where the box was sitting. And now he's confused as to why it's not there. Poor thing. Okay, pulling out all the... I got a couple rim templates. I got a bunch of forms. Writing up on the packaging material. Everything has come in one piece, it looks like, which is always a plus for them and us. You never know what's going to happen with UPS. I happened to meet them down the street, and I guess they knew my vehicle lately because I've gotten so much stuff. And so he was like, can I just pull in here instead of in your driveway because it'll be a whole lot easier? And I said yes. So I picked it up on the way to work. And I was a couple minutes late to work, but I guess better than getting a UPS truck stuck in our driveway. Okay, I'm going to pause for a sec. Okay, these are the contents of the box. And I put the box back over there, and now Blooper's already back in it. So, he's happy boy. Okay, so I started out, I got these two tools by Dirty Girls. This is going to help me with a rim template according to the videos. And then this is going to help me with, I don't know, suddenly becoming a great plate maker. Because I'm sure if I have the right tools and don't practice enough, I will be a wonderful potter. And I'm going to cut this open and show you all the different kits that I got. And here is, well, okay, pausing again. Okay, so just a quick look. Once I got all the unboxing done, I've gotten, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of the spacers that go on the door for the wall system. I got a couple templates that can go with my new slimline. I think the 10 and the 7-inch slimline forms for plates. Also, I have the other wall system, which I got the stack pack, and so I can use that on the 9.5 and 6.5 inch forms. I got this kind of spherical, terrible lighting. Anyway, the spherical squares. And then I got 4 of the wall boards, just the board part, not the main system. Just because I have a massive shortage of any kind of wear boards. And this is going to help with, that'll give me 5 to do all my plates with that I'm going to be doing, theoretically. Now I just need to get some dowels so I can get some even plates, or even slab distribution, and I can make some plates. So anyway, this is the newest things, and like I said, probably about the last things I'll be getting for quite a while, now that I'm wearing out on overtime. But anyway, I'm going to have so much fun, and I have some new clays to try out. I'm going to try some speckled bluff on it, but then I also use my T-Mix 6 that I love. Probably be doing that mostly because it's a nice white. Anyway, yep, there's Caramel. 13 seconds in. Well, no, 4 minutes, almost 5 minutes in. Caramel. Here, kitty kitty. disdain. She has disdain for me. Okay. Anyway, that's about it. And thank you for watching. Bye.